The following is an overview demonstration of Workday Adaptive Planning's capabilities in support of grant planning for nonprofit organizations. Most nonprofit organizations have unique grant planning requirements. This demo will highlight effective modeling options around grant planning and the resulting reporting and analysis you can achieve, which will provide greater insight into your funding plans. For example, adaptive planning dashboards will provide dynamic visual insight into critical performance information such as funding levels, funding source breakdowns, spend tracking, trends, or any other critical metrics you need. Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful modeling sheets enable institutions to model out and analyze any critical planning area at any detail required. For example, grant planning and analysis sheets can be configured to capture any type of detailed or high-level information you require for planning purposes. Grant or other funding sources can be modeled out even over multiple fiscal years, as well as easily allocating these sources across multiple programs if required. Your teams will be able to gain big picture clarity into your overall research portfolio to position your organization to more effectively compete for and secure grants and contracts. Within this sheet, funding information is being captured such as name of grant, source type, restriction type, status, proposal information, start date, renewal date, and of course the grant amount. Analytics become powerful within Workday Adaptive Planning. Ultimately, your organization will be able to effectively create grant-level funding and spending plans to generate visibility into income and expenses over the life of a grant. Easy-to-configure reports will enable users to effectively track and further analyze planned funding against spend. For example, you'll be able to track funding across individual programs, as well as funds remaining against period-to-date spend. Workday Adaptive Planning's active dashboards will also provide your stakeholders with dynamic visual insight into funding changes you make to facilitate powerful scenario analysis. For example, updating proposed grant amounts based on scenario analysis, with the ability to view dynamic changes to charts and other metrics as required. As a recap, with Workday Adaptive Planning's powerful grant planning and analysis capabilities, your organization will be able to gain immediate insight into your critical performance indicators and data. This will enable timely scenario analysis for further accurate decisions